My name is Stefan Krebs. I'm assistant professor at the Luxembourg Center for Contemporary and Digital History. Together, we received the FNR Award for the outstanding promotion of science to the public for our interactive video installation, Historical Voices from the Minett. This video installation is part of a research project that investigates the industrial history of the south of Luxembourg, the so-called Minett region. Historical Voices from the Minett is a joint project that we developed in collaboration with the Italian artist Chiara Lici and her team. The installation is part of a larger research project called Remixing Industrial Past in the Digital Age that will be presented as a virtual exhibition during the European Capital of Culture Esch 2022. The video installation was part of the temporary history lab that we ran in Esch in September and October 2020. It featured 6 personal life stories related to the past and present of the Minett. Based upon existing and new historical research, the stories were written by a team of historians and anthropologists to reveal various aspects of life in and around Esch-sur-Alzette in the 20th century.
We chose to tell history through personal life stories to enable the visitors to easily engage and identify with the stories. However, historians do not always have all the sources they need to recreate such life stories, especially when dealing with ordinary people like you and me. We are all eyewitness to history, but only a few of us leave diaries that could later help historians recreate their lives. This is why, next to historical characters, we also created semi-fictional ones. This allowed us to tell less-known stories by merging memories from people from similar groups into one single character. With this method, we could tackle timeless themes such as environmental pollution, migration, labor, or human creativity.
There's a character of Leon Molitor. He was a physician from Useldange. In the 1950s, he was one of the first scientists to investigate the issue of air pollution in the southern Luxembourg. Or photographer Tony, a semi-fictional collective character. Tony speaks in the early 1980s about his passion. In the context of industrial decline, a new generation of photographers rose to prominence on the cultural scene in the south of Luxembourg.
Historical Voices from the Minett successfully communicated our research project on the past of the Minett to a wider audience. The personal life stories inform people about their past and help them to reflect on their own identities, family lives, and also creativity.
We recreated history not just for historians, but for the people who live and work in the region. Based on their memories, we can narrate a new history of Luxembourg's past together.